Hello and welcome to Danish Pronunciation for Beginners. My name is Allan and this is Dialog number 9, Dialog nummer 9, var der ellers andet? Something else? The pronunciation focus of this video is D, and the D is silent when it follows N, L, or an R. So repeat after me. Mand, kvinde, land, andet, ild, holde, ord, bord og gård. So you can repeat after me, and the words that are marked with blue, pay special attention to how I pronunciate those words. Var der ellers andet? Var der ellers andet? Jeg vil gerne have et stykke kage. Jeg vil gerne have et stykke kage. I would like a piece of cake. Også mig. Også mig. Also me. Vi har gulerodskage og chokoladekage. We have carrot cake or chocolate cake. Jeg tager et stykke chokoladekage. Jeg tager et stykke chokoladekage. Ja tak. Jeg vil gerne prøve gulerodskagen. Jeg vil gerne prøve gulerodskagen. I'd like to try the carrot cake.